Bruce White here, out for British Columbia. Today we're doing a review on the Mastervac 5 horsepower 60-liter shop vac wet dry system. It's got a couple outstanding features. The accessory caddy is on top of the machine, easy to reach. They just push on, easy to grab. The main hose has got a great attachment feature. You just push it in, give it a twist, and it locks in. Nice, it doesn't pull apart. The hose has got a swivel here, so you can put any of the attachments on and get into hard to reach places. Also on the back, there's the exhaust fork here. You can attach the hose and use it as a leaf blower or whatever you wish. It's able to attack various materials in the house. And if you're using in a wet situation, there's a very convenient drain at the bottom to drain any liquid or anything that you've sucked up. I would be giving this 5.5 if the stars were greater than that, but after all, it's a beast. I highly recommend it.